One of my favourite types of rebuilds and restorations are the PX200s. Probably the most phone calls I get per day are, how can I turn my humble PX200 into a lethal street machine? Lethal is probably the overstatement, but street machine we can definitely achieve. And there's so many different capacities and tuning possibilities involved with the PX200. Evil Twins is a great example of two PXs built in a very similar style, but stand out completely from each other. The blue one, drop bars, black highlights mixed in with chrome, as where the black PX is all black with simple basic chrome highlights and accentuations. Both engines are very similarly set up for ultimate reliability. Running Malossi top ends. At the moment we're running a lot of the Penasco long strokes. Reinforced clutch systems, larger carburetors, 26 to 30 mil carbs, and they're all running SIP aftermarket conversion pieces on there, from tubeless rims to electronic ignitions, to their cable sets, to their wire looms, making them the ultimate for road touring, for commuting, and for standing out in the crowd.